Hello guys, welcome to my channel and today I'm here to talk about Higurashi episode number 17. And before we proceed to the episode, let me ask you a question. Which one of them is green? Is it option A, cauliflower? Option B, broccoli? I'll ask you this question again next time. Not next time, but later in this video. But for now, just keep on thinking about it. Make sure you have this question in your mind. So let's start with the episode. Satoko also again dies. Yeah, great work, Satoko. Like she again dies. Everybody dies, and then we see Rika and Takano, whatever the name is. Their conversation continue, and I'm like, okay, so what happened? What the fuck happened? Was it the timeline, dream, or was she just actually saying the truth that she was thinking about killing her? What the fuck happened? Confused?
I'm confused. I'm confused right now, G.
And as the episode progressed, oh my god, like, what is going on? I thought that the story was going to be simple from now on, but I'm just even more confused after this episode. Especially the first half of the episode, I didn't understand a single thing. I'm just really confused. Only 2 episodes ago, I finally was like, okay, so this actually seems like a curse and it is not something else. It is actually a curse, a supernatural thing. And then in this episode, they tell us, okay, no, Hinamizawa syndrome actually occurs from these syringes, and yeah, it's not a curse. So just like it took me 14 episodes to finally, I was like, okay, now I finally believe that it's a curse. And in 2 episodes later, like, nah. It happens from these, this box H1 something. Like this is what causes Hinamizawa syndrome. So great. And as I told you, I'm just confused. I think so. And that was Satoko's brother in the hospital, and the military came, and I don't know what the hell does that doctor have like relationship with these military, and they have what is going on? Help, please explain. Somebody help.
Hello, how are you? I am under the water. Please help me. Here too much raining.
I just hope that we we understand things going on in like the later episodes, next or maybe one after that. I just hope that we can understand what the hell is actually going on, because I didn't understand anything. All I know is that the photographer dude, Tomitake, he took Takano, I don't know whatever her name is, like he took her away, and the doctor is also under suspicion. They found this H1 thing on Takano's box. Okay, I don't know. If anybody without spoilers could explain me in the comments what actually is going on, then please let me know. Otherwise, I guess I'm just gonna be confused for now. And then in the second half, we see them in normal school, and they were having the club day, whatever it is. And Rika wins the game, of course. Who else would you think is gonna win? And she's like, okay, you know what? Since I win, I get something. So here's, like, she gave everybody a paper. This is what you have to do. And yeah, they were like, okay, we'll do it. And it was for Satoko's birthday. And before that, Rika was in that shed only, and she had that the thing which can kill her finally. And she's like, somebody else is rolling the dice. I'm like, what? What? Okay, I'm still confused with that. And then what happens is she and Satoko are going, and there was one line that Satoko said to her that I was kind of like, okay, why did she say that? But then I just quickly brushed it off, thinking it was Higurashi. And she was, when they were together sightseeing, Satoko said to Rika, don't, these are not the exact words, but she said something around these lines only. Rika, don't try to, leave. Don't try to leave. Don't ever think of leaving. And I'm like, okay, Satoko, why are you saying this? And we later get to know why she was saying this. At that time, I brushed it off. I was like, okay, it's Higurashi. Like, they say some random stupid shit. It's okay. And then they go to school. They are celebrating her birthday. And Rika pulls out a box, and Satoko has memory of that. And Rika is like, okay, something's going on here. The thing about rolling the dice. Yeah, that was happening here. But before that, Keiichi gave her a vegetable Pictionary book. And remember, I asked you a question, which is which of them is green, broccoli or cauliflower? The answer you guys would have probably come to is broccoli, but it is not, because none of them is green actually. Fun fact: broccolis used to be red, because of the tinkering, the people started tinkering with the seeds. Because of that, now the broccolis are green, but earlier they used to be red. And if you don't believe me, you can Google it. It's actually the truth. You can definitely Google it. And those who went to Google and came back, sorry for wasting your time. I don't know. I was chatting shit. I don't know if they were red or not.
Got it!
I don't know. If you went and Google it, I'm sorry, but you just wasted your time. And let's just talk about what happens at the end. So, Satoko has been reincarnating as well, it seems like. Okay. Did not see that coming. Seriously, when the Satoko storyline was going on, I was like, okay, everybody's storyline is really messed up. Everybody dies and shit. And only Satoko is the one that seems really mundane and normal one, where it's just her uncle and, child abuse. Only it is not a supernatural thing. It is just a more normal, mundane thing. And I was like, okay, she seems the only normal one. So, yeah, she also reincarnates. Yes, Satoko can also reincarnate. And what does that mean? She points out, she gets a gun and just points it on Rika's head. She's like, okay. And yeah, episode ends. I am really confused after this episode. Satoko reincarnating, did not see that coming. Only thought that only Rika might be the one who might be reincarnating. But that's all. I'm just confused. I don't know what even else to talk about. But that's it. Episode 17. Let me know what did you guys feel about it in the comments below. And I will be here for episode number 18 next week. So till then, have a great time. I'll meet you in the next one.